What's up, Brian? How would you like to show me around this room?
Okay. This is our Libra Smart Row. There's actually four 42U racks in here, which is different. Normally, you don't get 42U when you get a self-contained cooling unit. This is the first one like it in the world, literally. We have the first real, full production unit. It's fully self-contained, fire suppression, power, battery backup, everything. It's absolutely phenomenal. I'll show you the rest. Massive power switches. So here in rack 4 is where all of our magic happens. This is literally the coolest stuff on earth. And I say that because our stuff came with a warning label that says that it's the only one that exists. Let me show you real quick. I'll give you a quick rundown. This is the Dell 410X. Each one of these is a video card, a Tesla 2070 video card. Before, this platform did not exist, and actually we've adapted this platform from what was oil drilling and high-end computing. It's made with our 6145 here, which there's actually, believe it or not, 2 separate servers in here, completely separate motherboards. Super dense package. Give you an idea of how new this is. I wish I could slide this out and show you. But Dell's actually got a huge warning label stick up here that says this is the only one and this is beta, which is really, really cool. Down here are our 815s. These are for our publishing platform. These are workhorses. Back to the 6145 for a second though. Give you an idea of how cool this is. We can stream about 4,000 simultaneous DVDs in HD. That's how much horsepower is literally here in this rack. No, right. In this rack here, give you an idea, these two are completely redundant. We can lose one entire rack and still be fully up and running. Our Citrix net scalers connected via 10 gig E. Juniper MX80 firewalls, redundant routing engines. These are actually one of 2 core firewalls, and then obviously our core switching platform. We can simulate anything out in the field here locally. So what that means is if we have a problem in somewhere we can't get to very easily, we have the identical configuration here, and we can break it down, see what's wrong, and actually fix it here, and then deploy it out in the field. Obviously, this is the primary of the 2 racks. This is the one we're actually passing live data through right now. If you guys go to the Savtira.net web store, if you do anything on Savtira.net, when you see any of our live streaming demos, that's running through all of our production equipment here. This is dev, staging, pre-production, but right this minute it is production. So this is live data. When you see the lights going, that's actually real data being passed. Sorry, that cabinet doesn't like me having the doors open. So here in our last cabinet is our NetApp. This is our back-end storage. This is where all the DVDs, movies, games, all that stuff is held locally for testing. It's actually I/O per second that's actually streaming across that screen there. Right now, everything's pretty much idle. There are 168 300 gig, 10,000 RPM drives. It's roughly about 50 terabytes of data. And it's hooked in via 40 gig E. That's 4 10 gig E iSCSI connections that are lagged. It's hooked into the backplane of all this, so it's actually 160 gig E backplane. It is very, 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 very fast. All this technology is absolutely cutting edge. This is the fastest stuff on the planet. And we really, this stuff didn't, well, some of this stuff didn't exist till a couple months ago. This is really cutting edge, and we're really ahead of the game.